Hi, friends, and welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching. Today, I'm giving you a very special episode. It's very soft and gentle and all related with motivation and also gratefulness. So, when I first created this journal, I started by being motivated. It was around 2020, my very first journal. And then I said, okay, I want to give my own definition about what a journal is. So, for me, a journal is a place that provides a space to collect memories, thoughts, and experiences, and of course, ideas. Whenever you finish a journal, there is always a moment in which you can go back and navigate through its pages, and it's like living the moments once again. So, as you can see here, I started collecting a lot of memories, and in that time, I was collecting a lot of motivational quotes and inspirational phrases, sometimes my own, sometimes external, but it was a really cool experience. Whenever I go inside these pages, I reconnect with those times, with those moments, and with the feelings I was having when I first wrote and made this amazing and beautiful journal. So give things that you want to get every day, and you will find the very same things coming back your way. So this is one of the phrases I found and I love. Here I insert for the first time a little booklet just with some paper I have around for extra paper, and then I just place a staple there, and I really loved it, and so I place it over here. Another thing I notice and I feel is like depending of what you're doing in that moment and what you're searching in your spiritual life is going to have a profound impact in the shape and the content of your journal. For example, in these three little tags, I have always be ready to turn down a path you might have been taking before. Or, for example, do the work, plant seeds, and believe that it will grow. After you have done these things, it's time to just let go. And the third one is in your heart, you can be sure that nature will do the rest. The universe has a plan for you and will always be and do what's best. Putting everything you don't want anymore in your head, just write it down, just let it go, just let it flow, and let it be on a paper. I think that that is a very good prompt. Here it says Amo la vida, which is I love life. And this is a little card I wrote because remember around this time we were living the pandemic. So I started writing about a picnic in the forest. That was a really, really cool story I wrote. And then I have around here treat others with respect you want to receive. And so on, I can be going like showing you all the details and every piece of paper, every little detail is meaningful in this journal. Also, I collect some of the cards I received during that year and also some of the work I was doing in educational environment. So this is really, really important for me. Here I have this beautiful fold I did in the shape of a pyramid. So it's a chance, problem, and the idea. When something extraordinary shows up in your life, I hope you see it for what it is, a gift. That is called a chance. So that is one of the quotes I have here from an amazing book from Kobe Yamada. That's the author of the book. I really love it. So what an emotional moment when I first wrote that over here. This was given by my daughter, which I love. So it's an owl. This hummingbird especially remembers a moment in which all the family was together and everybody was given an animal to paint. So mine was the hummingbird, which I love, and I keep it here as a memory of a treasure of that amazing moment. So here it says, we are the treasure that we bring inside and also mind, body, spirit. And here in the end, I have a page, Dream Angus is about a dream somebody had at some moment inside a book. And I love it. And that's why I have it here. And also, I want to read to you what I have here. It says, "Be different to trees. The talking oak to the ancient spoke, but any tree will talk to me. What truths I know, I gardeners sow. But those who want to talk and tell, and those who will not listeners be, will never hear a syllable from out the lips of a tree." This is by Mary Caroline Davis in 1924. It's asking us to be different than the trees and just probably open our ears and listen to somebody or to anybody that has something to say to us, especially if it's something important. So this is all I have for today. I hope you enjoy this calming and relaxing video, and let's keep going. So please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts about this amazing journal I have, and how do you handle all your emotions and feelings, and how are you preparing to be giving thanks for the next week and the day to come, this Thanksgiving 2024. I see you soon, my friends. Bye. Bye bye. Take care.